Christmas, everyone. Today is December 1st, which marks the first day of Christmas season, in my opinion. So I'm gonna be listening to Christmas music for this whole video, and I hope that you join me in that. So today I'm gonna be giving my room a Christmas makeover, because right now it's pretty much the same that it always is. I don't know, I have a lot of room tours. If you guys want like a room tour of how it is normally, then you guys can click up. No, here. But today I have some just cute little Christmassy things that I'm going to use to decorate my room, and I hope that you guys enjoy. So let's get right on into decorating my room for Christmas.